guys, so I'm back in the game again. So I think we're playing it. I'm grinding kills. I'm grinding kills right now. Please subscribe. Yo, you cannot kill me. Oh guys, in 50 subs I will fight my subscribers. So please subscribe. Damn, boy. Get 6 kills. I'm not gonna reveal my kills. Sorry guys, I can't make the 100 subscribe. But only 30 subscribe I will kill reveal in the game. This is my emote. Yeah, emote. So guys, I'm gonna get someone to get a YouTube name Obsidian, because my brother is Magma and I'm the Ice. If we combine, it becomes Obsidian. And there's actually a skin in Obsidian. Bro, this it. What it's Obsidian. Brother, you're gonna join? Huh? Huh? You're not gonna join, okay? Yo, I'm dying. Bro, stop swearing. Bruh, you join. You said nah. Why did you join to me? You're a booger? Nah, my brother has a poop. Yo, I pistol. Do you want a team? Yes or no? I got FAMAS. This is cool though. You did? Yeah, you're cook. Nah. I think I'm gonna grind until 5 minutes like that. Bro, you have your pistol too? Oh yeah. Now I'm assault rifle. Yo. Dude, bruh. I got pistol. Oh, I lag. Nah. I get pistol again. I think that bro is lagging. Yo, I see you there. You die. You dead. I mean dead. Bro, I didn't say die. It's dead. Yo, stop shooting me. Fuck.
Bro, you.
Goodbye, guys. Hello guys. Goodbye. Goodbye.